Welcome back. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create and manage prospects in the system. Prospects refer to potential clients, those who have shown interest in your products or services but have not yet entered into a formal engagement. These individuals or organizations are not customers yet, but they could become one in the future. For that reason, they are registered separately from confirmed customers. To begin, we navigate to the Customer Care module and access the Prospects Management application under Customer Relations. Within this application, we can view existing prospects or create new ones. Let's walk through the process of adding a new prospect. We start by assigning a prospect ID and entering the prospect's name, in this case, Herbie Drilling Services. Next, we specify the location, which is Dammam, and fill in the relevant contact details for this prospect: contact name, position, phone, mobile, and email address. If applicable, we can include a tax registration number, such as a VAT or GST number, as well as the company's official registration number. Additionally, we can define the tax circle, which is useful for financial and compliance categorization. At this stage, we also enter the contact address, which may later serve as the billing address once the prospect is converted into a customer. Moving forward, the system allows us to add multiple sites associated with the prospect. These sites represent locations where services or products may be delivered or received. We add a site with the same location, Dammam, and provide the contact person's details for that specific site. For example, the designated contact is the drilling manager, and we enter the corresponding phone number. Once the site information is saved, it becomes part of the prospect's profile. You may add additional sites if required, but for this demonstration we're adding just one. Capturing this site information is crucial, especially when inquiries are location-specific, as it helps track where the interest is originating. The main purpose of registering a prospect is to enable the tracking of incoming inquiries before a formal business relationship is established. Once the prospect expresses a commitment, whether by confirming an order or requesting service delivery, they can be converted into a customer. Upon conversion, all relevant data collected during the prospecting phase is transferred to the Customer Central application. From there, you can expand the customer profile and proceed with sales, invoicing, or service management as needed. That concludes our demonstration on creating and managing prospects. Thank you for watching.